Creating mobile app demos doesn't have to be difficult and require development resources, staging environments, or complex design tools. And it is easy with Demoboost. With Demoboost, you can build fully interactive mobile demo experiences in just a few steps. And I'd love to walk you through the entire workflow, step by step. Step number 1, capture your mobile app. Start by taking screenshots, or we usually recommend scroll shots to preserve the entire interactivity of your mobile product directly from your mobile device. Or sometimes you can also export screens from your Figma designs. Whether you're showcasing a product application, a prototype, or a future concept, all you need are just the screens that you want to demonstrate. Step number 2, convert screenshots into HTML with AI. Upload your screenshots and let AI transform them into editable HTML pages. So instead of working with static images, later you'll be able to get a real web-based version of your mobile experience that can be customized and enhanced further in Demoboost. Step number 3, capture the experience in Demoboost. Once the HTML version is ready, capture it into Demoboost and start building your interactive demo. Add guides, hotspots, narrations, voiceovers, call to actions to create an engaging experience for your audience. And what can you do next? First of all, customize your mobile demo. Update text, numbers, other data, images, or entire workflows to match your prospect's requirements and use cases. And that's how you can also keep your demos aligned with the latest version of your product while maintaining complete control over the entire experience. Second, you can now build a reusable demo library. So create a single demo, a couple of demos, and reuse them across multiple teams and use cases. So now sales can use it for prospecting, follow-ups, and live demonstrations. Marketing can embed it on the website, like full interactive mobile experience. Customer success can use it for onboarding, and training teams can use it for internal education. Additionally, you can now deliver consistent product experiences. So you can now ensure that every prospect sees the ideal version of the product, no broken environments, missing data, expired accounts. You can always count on this reliable environment that is saved in your library in Demoboost. What is more, now this demo is always available for your live demonstrations, and you can even share those demos anytime, anywhere with your prospects. So make them available on demand. Make them available even offline when needed, for example, during events or whenever you are in an environment with limited internet connectivity. This demo will be always available to you, and you can always demonstrate your solution. And if you share your demos with your prospects, your audience can now explore the product at their own pace without requiring access to a live application. And last but not least, understand engagement. Track now how viewers interact with your mobile demos, which screens attract the most attention, where users spend time, and which journeys drive the highest engagement. And that's how, in just a few steps, you've transformed a collection of mobile app screenshots into scalable, interactive, and measurable demo experience that can be used throughout the entire customer journey and in mix with your other products, be it web or desktop applications.